How's your wife doing?
Good. Better if she get up here more often.
Yeah.
She doesn't have the time.
Is it right?
There we go. Right over here. Gotcha. Good. Now face down.
Sounds good.
Let it out.
Sounds good.
And lie on your left side. There we go. Good.
Yes.
Back to normal now.